You are in our factory and this is our showroom. This room looks different every second week because we try new colors, we try new ideas. Ian Lombard is our photographer today that's shooting with me for our Tjhoko Champs competition in cooperation with the Tuis and Home magazine. So the wall we're going to paint in Sheriff Stone with our Tjhoko inspired colors for walls, and then I'm going to share creative ideas on how to beautify a wall with a cardboard. We're going to move in some furniture, add color and loads of inspiration. Okay, so if you want to know how to redesign your clothing or how to design new fabric, you need to like, follow, subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your notifications. I've never done this. I actually don't know what I'm going to do. We are going to try something new. So I've cut a piece of cardboard so that these two lines are parallel with each other. So when I paint it, I will have my fish bones on that side and there, and I can just repeat the pattern downwards, move it around and repeat on the other side. And every time as the two bones come together, I'll just change direction, if it makes sense. I'm painting the fish bones with cloud white and an artist brush, and I have the cardboards cut out. So I'm working in sets of 2. It's a creative way to add some excitement to a wall, and you don't need much to do it. Just a piece of cardboard. Good cup of coffee, good company, boiling water, good coffee, sugar and full cream milk. This is day 2 at the factory. We're finishing our wall with our white stripes on, and then we'll do some creative artwork on a canvas. All of this is for the Tjhoko Champs competition that we're doing with the Tuis Tijdschrift and Home magazine. So be sure to watch the magazine, look out on Tuis's Facebook page, also ours, enter, send in your before and after pictures of something that you've painted with Tjhoko. We can't wait to see, and loads of prizes are up for grabs. Now let's get going. Okay, so I'm going to do something creative on this canvas. I'm spreading some stencil of Paris on this board, and I'm going to add some different Tjhoko colors into my stencil of Paris. And then I'm just going to have fun. Okay, so I'm just being creative and I'm absolutely enjoying myself. So I'm just going to add some asgat there in the top corner. I have water in a spray bottle and I'm going to spray it on my paint so it can just start running. I'm just going to use the back of an artist brush and just do a pattern in the stencil of Paris. The stencil of Paris created some texture, so I'm just going to give it a go. If I don't like it, I'll just scrape over it again.
Die oranje, die lively left en die slightly subtle right met ook weer 'n upheaval. You don't need club.
Okay. I don't like the letter in the canvas. I'm going to change it, so I'm just going to.
Klein bietjie hoor. Daar's.
Top tip, never choke your hammer. Hold it at the handle.
Gesig geverf. Dit is die kontinent Afrika. Nee.
For shooting decor, I prefer to use the 50mm 1.8, also known as the Nifty 50, for the reason that it has negligible distortion. It gives me nice straight horizontals and straight verticals.
And our modern abstract look is complete. It's colourful, it's filled with inspiration. Like, comment and subscribe to our Tjhoko Paint YouTube channel and turn on your notifications. Tjhoko Paint.